Welcome to my channel. Please showing my top 5 best products review.
Product review number 1.
Silent Ice Maker's Countertop. 9 cubes ready in 6 minutes. Introducing the Silent Countertop Ice Maker Machine, the perfect solution to satisfy your ice cravings in a matter of minutes. With its fast ice making capability, this compact ice maker produces 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes. Whether you need to chill seafood, keep beverages icy cold, or achieve a rapid cooling effect, you have the option to choose from 2 different sizes of ice cubes. One of the standout features of the Silent Ice Maker is its user-friendly and quiet operation. With noise levels lower than 35 dB, similar to a working refrigerator, you can enjoy a peaceful ice-making experience. The transparent lid allows you to monitor the ice capacity, while the sensor automatically detects when the ice basket is full, preventing any overflow mishaps. Controlling the ice maker is a breeze with its easy-to-use control panel. Simply fill the water tank, press the on button, select your desired ice cube size, and let the machine do the rest. The indicator light alerts you when the water level is low or the ice basket is full, ensuring you stay informed at all times.
Product review number 2.
A Glucky Countertop Ice Maker Machine, Portable Ice Maker's Countertop. Introducing the Glucky Countertop Ice Maker Machine, your reliable companion for ice-making needs. With its compact and portable design, measuring 12.3 inches in diameter, 8.7 inches in width, and 12.6 inches in height, this ice maker is perfect for various applications. Whether you're hosting a party, running a tea shop, or need ice in your kitchen or office, the Glucky Ice Maker has got you covered. Efficiency is key, and that's exactly what you'll get with this ice maker. Producing 9 ice cubes in just 6-8 minutes and up to 26.5 pounds of ice per day, you'll always have a fresh supply of ice at your fingertips. The quick and quiet cooling system not only saves energy but also ensures a peaceful environment, making it ideal for any setting. With multiple functions and convenient indicators, this ice maker is a breeze to use. The indicators remind you to remove the ice cubes when the basket is full and to add water when the machine is running low. Plus, you have the flexibility to choose between small and large bullet-shaped ice cubes to suit your preferences.
Product review number 3.
Frigidaire EFIC 189, Silver Compact Ice Maker. Introducing the Frigidaire EFIC 189, Silver Compact Ice Maker, the perfect solution for all your ice-making needs. With its sleek silver design and large transparent window, you can easily monitor the ice-making process and check the ice level. This countertop portable ice maker offers versatility with its compact dimensions of 9.5 inches W x 14.1 inches D x 12.9 inches H, making it easy to transport and use in any space. Efficiency is key, and this ice maker delivers. In just a 5-6 minute cycle, it produces 9 ice cubes, with a total capacity of 26 pounds in 24 hours. The machine efficiently recycles and used melted ice to produce a fresh batch, ensuring you always have a steady supply of ice at hand. The indicator lights remind you to empty the ice basket when it's full and add water when the reservoir is low. Versatility is another highlight of this ice maker. It offers a choice of bullet-shaped ice in 2 different sizes, allowing you to customize your ice cubes to suit your preferences. The large 2.3-quart water reservoir enables high-volume ice production per batch, and the spacious bin stores up to 1.5 pounds of ice at a time.
Product review number 4.
Uhami Ice Maker Machine Countertop, 27 pounds in 24 hours. Let me introduce you to the Uhami Ice Maker Machine Countertop, a reliable and efficient appliance that will enhance your ice-making experience. With its sleek silver design, this ice maker adds a touch of elegance to any home, kitchen, or office space. It boasts a remarkable ice-making capacity, producing about 26 pounds of ice per day. In just 8 minutes, you can enjoy 9 delicious and chewable ice cubes, perfect for a variety of drinks, food, seafood, and smoothies. One of the standout features of this ice maker is its super ice Making capacity. Thanks to the highly efficient compressor, it not only ensures excellent refrigeration but also operates quietly, allowing you to enjoy your ice cubes and drinks in a peaceful environment. Plus, the recirculating water tank prevents water waste, making it an energy-efficient choice. Using and maintaining this ice maker is a breeze. It comes with a user-friendly control panel that allows you to choose between 2 ice cube sizes and monitor the ice making process through the transparent window. The self-cleaning feature simplifies maintenance, and the silver stainless steel surface is both beautiful and easy to clean.
Product review number 5.
Vivahome Electric Portable Compact Countertop Automatic Ice Cube Maker Machine. Introducing the Vivahome Electric Portable Compact Countertop Ice Maker, your go-to solution for quick and convenient ice production. With a capacity of 26 pounds per day, this sleek silver ice maker delivers fast results in just 6-10 minutes. Whether you're hosting a party, enjoying a family gathering, or simply need a refreshing drink, this portable ice maker has got you covered. The lightweight and compact design make it easy to take this ice maker anywhere you go. It's perfect for RVs, boats, kitchens, tea shops, offices, bars, and more. Plus, the compressor cooling system ensures low noise operation, allowing you to enjoy a quiet environment while the ice is being made. The see-through window on top lets you monitor the process and check the ice level without interrupting the cycle. Operating this ice maker is a breeze with its user-friendly control panel. Simply turn it on/off and select your preferred ice size, S/L, with ease. The automatic overflow protection prevents messes, ensuring hassle-free ice making. Additionally, the self-cleaning function simplifies maintenance. Just add water to the sink, press the on/off button for 5 seconds, and let the machine auto-clean for approximately 30 minutes.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product.